Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, Shenseea says she can't wait for the haters them eat them words. Zin, so the album ready. Alpha drop midnight tonight. You saw me, I say if you're in some places international already, it's out. You know what I mean? A lot of people hear it already. The track listing is out. You see me, I say people, I'm have a live with Shenseea. She attack the things them. You know what I mean? I may go show you what she has say. You see me? But people don't know the thing go. She dip on live and she say, if you support her, change your profile pic to the album picture and instantly, you know what I mean, I just go through all of my accounts, them change everything. You see what I say? Facebook change, Instagram change, YouTube change. She say for today and tomorrow. So that at least I can do. You see what I say? So big up the Shenyang boss. I like Shenyang them. If you don't feel like, you know what I mean, support, I don't want to show it said way. You know, follow suit. You see what I say? But people, without any further ado, we are going to get into the live and let's hear what Shenseea say. So take a listen to this. Here goes.
I can't wait to see people eat their words up. Oh, y'all tweeting already? Huh? We're not tweet already? So far, so good. Listen, cool. I want everybody who supports me to put my album cover up on their display picture for today and tomorrow. And I want y'all to listen my album loud. Okay? If you're not gonna listen to my album loud, don't listen to it. The first time listening to this album, you have to listen to it loud. Loud. Play it on your speaker loud, play it on your earphones loud. Play it in your car loud. Listen to it when you're high. Trust me. 12 a.m. bro. We are literally what, 9 hours away? We're 9 hours away. Some people listened already. And for those who listened already, please to comment what you think about it so I can see your comment right now. My favorite song on the album, I don't have a favorite song. It's because, so it's like I tap into different versions of myself, right? And they're on my faves and that's why I put them on the album. So for those who are saying that I'm changing my sound and I transition and this and that, blah, 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 blah. Surprise. I did not.
So yeah, I know see a lot of people have said this. Shenseea change her style. She turn pop artist and all of these things. You see me? But she has said, when you hear the album, you know we understand say and so it goes, she just versatile like that. So people, I'm gonna make she talk about that because she gonna address that and address the people them where you say that. You see me? I say so. You know the next piece I want me I go play. She definitely gonna address that and talk about it. You see me? But people, me want to know what you think also. You see me? I said down in the comment section. Like personally, do you think that the new sound of Shenseea have some of the song them? Obviously they're pop and hip hop, but you know what I mean? Are you like me when I mind it? Because we know such she versatile like that. We always hear she sing. You see what I mean? I say, or you're just not about that. You want to hear Shenseea with the gunman voice from back in the days. You see what I mean? I say, so make we know one thing down in the comment section. Or you might just change your mind when you hear what she have to say. So I'm going to make she talk and telling her. So take a listen. Here goes.
What what I've been doing is showing y'all different sides of me that have been there for quite a long time. And you know the weirdest thing? If I sounded the same on every song, people would cuss and say, oh, we're tired of hearing Shenseea. Or we already know what she's gonna come with before before she hops on a track. So to show you how hypocritical people are, bro. Like when you have your sound, they say they're tired of it. And when you show them different sounds or show them how versatile you are, they complain and say you're switching your sound and changing your roots and do all type of fuckery. Alright? And that is why you can't listen to people. Because if I sounded one way all my life, people would have done with me a long time. They would have done with me because they would have get bored. But the good thing about this album is that you have to have a favorite. And that is the fact of it all. You have to have a favorite. It is a must. And I ask you. I tell you, say I gotta have a favorite. So how me set the album, you have to have a favorite. It's a must. It's a must, my love. I love Deserve It. Deserve It is one of my favorite songs too. I love Deserve It. I love Deserve It, man.
So yeah, people, a couple things she gonna keep the release party in New York. We said that the last time, right? But not only in New York, she got Jamaica, she got LA, all about it. So I say, I don't remember all of the places where she go, but we know say she got Jamaica, LA, New York tonight, right? So she did say she don't want to get too drunk, and when she get drunk, she, you know what I mean, take a little it, she get antisocial. So she don't really want to get antisocial. You see me I say, so she asked the crowd what they think. Should I, you know what I mean, do so or not. But one thing she did address people, and when enough of you might think about to want to see the album track listing, is the song Bless. It's on the album. So she address it, and I say, you know what I mean, somebody asked a question as a matter of fact in the comment section, and this is what she had to say about it. So take a listening. Here goes.
But why is Bless out on the album? Because Bless is my first international collab. So yes, it's on the album. And I want y'all to understand that you do know you can control what I put on my album, right? It's my album. And I feel like Blessed is still so fresh. Like, it's still a song that people can rock to and vibe to. Like, Blessed is a mood song. You cannot get over a mood song. It's a mood. Like, you feel blessed. When you wake up, you want to hear Blessed. Don't ever change me. I will only change for the better, my love. But so far, the tweets on the album are really good. Shenseea's anthem is gonna be dope. I can feel it in my bones. Listen, I'm telling you. If Shenseea's anthem don't hit, I change my name. And that's the fact. Okay. I changed my name. I wrote every single letter, word, melody in that song. Like 100%. I love Shenseea's anthem. Shenseea's anthem is also, to me, a part 2. The part 2 of Shenseea's anthem. Like, when you see me put anthem on the song, you know, like, it's confidence right there. I'm telling you, that song is fire. I don't need to hear it from nobody else how hard that song is. Oh, mega sleep. I don't want to masturbate. I feel like I've been doing it too much lately. I need to just give myself a break. I'm about to call the police on myself. But that's the only way I can sleep in the day. Thinking if I should. It's either that, because if I take something to sleep, then I will probably be sleeping too long. And then I don't want to miss my pop-up and my release party. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited for this release party tonight. That is gonna be litty. I got so many people coming. Stafford Room, New York City, Manhattan. We are live.